Chibai vek ule Mizoram Merchant Association Mima YouTube channel a kan lo lo ma cheu ni somni pathum thariat sang ni somni panga khan Mima shwai tu te chuan National Highway 306/06 tu an to a hemini hian kong din mun le na tho dan te na thok tu le driver te din mun le Kawngchhe in a ngong dan te an zu clear a tin Kawnpui OC kom na hun an zuk nei bawk ani he video a hian Mima shwai tu te jingkong then khat le mi then khat an kom na te kan tilang dona a top thlenga video min lo en sak turin kan so ma cheu tin kan channel in ma alo son zel na like comment share le subscribe min lo ti sak turin kan nge na cheu hela hi khamrang kalkong khani a National Highway 306 Mima shwai tu ten an to ni hian truck Mizoram lam atanga chhuak tur hi zariat lai mai dan chan lo ni a tin hemini hianin Mizoram Merchant Association shwai tu te chuan khamranga IR duty te truck lodang chat tu te an zuk kom boka tin hemini hian driver tang te zingami kom na hun thatak an zuk nei thei pokani
सोमवार मंगलवार बुधवार से बुधवार शुक्रवार शुक्रवार शनिवार ये गाड़ी में क्या ये तन्नाव ते ही रोला ये तन्नाव ते ही अरुआ मिली अंतिम तो तो बंचवान कोई नहीं है तो बुक kan tengah an thong kham lu tu bangchuan ko ni ye nei mai kan ho kan tu akan ho pun kena to soa rang taka tiara ni nga tang chu akilo ke so pani me ruang tu bang chuan boi ya hian hen pathum lu wat ko tam tak motor zariat vel zariat chuang kan siap choka aruak ding hi tu bang chuan boi ya hian ni mai na helai kan to na hian na video tu kon kan la chan vel hen kan unau ti million ding to tho ni lai ni tang nan ding ani lai ni nga ni ji tok ni ni ti ban kan ho tu tan an na angai kha ana soi ni cha din
helai hi new khamrang ania kan muang hianin NHIDCL lamin na an lo thok muk maya hemini hian NHIDCL lam atanga in charge anda kom na hun thatak kan nei thei bawk ani tuna kan mulai mek hi NHIDCL ina in charge an lo da chu nia kan shwai tu ten hian in kom na hun an manga ani hianin kung an siam that dan chanchin le din mun te aron soya tin ani hianin motor hi a chhuak lam emo alut lam tur po hun bi thla nein darkar tin ron chwa se an na thok ati boy lo tur thu asoya kyanga an ti lo chu a sha thiam lo thu asoi bok
I also always talk to CEO. We release the empty vehicles 2020.
yeah
1 hours.
yeah
So loaded vehicle is going to isol and again come to empty, then is so reduced.
And what about your own work scope?
Already.
new khamranga kong an siam na hian na thok hi panga chawan lo oma hei hi Mizoram Merchant Association chuanin claim an ti hle a sarkarin da pel nge thei se an ti hle
tuna hian hei motor ruak kha anon chuale chia dar som pakhat le minute somania hei motor ruak hian ron chu maya anon chual hau tu gari chala अच्छा है इधर तो सेम सोम निवेल cia anon koleta oh motor ruak klem inaron soa lile inaron soa la ja jinga som nivel al soa tuna hey som nivel ge tunon soa beleni kaya bakku be teman ini aci lo mai an ron tlan khurum rumai ngai nau yo gan motor somni rual vel ron chuale a zaria plate ni tangin tuna som pakhat le tia somni vel ron chua ko ni se chualo ai chona tha muang de bani khothan lai yan chua chur chur sela atha tur ngai dia nei yan motor hi ron chua he hello kita gari chora hai hello कितना दिन बैठा है उधर में कितना दिन बैठा है 4 दिन छोड़ दिन ना दिमाग खराब ठीक है yan motor hi chuna anon chuale rau maya avan ne kha khom mai motor som chuang an ni le to
kan muta khangkhan motor tang hi atamin an intlar put maya kong hindi chep a motor in tok tan po inside hi har a hei Mizoram Merchant Association de chuan truck som dan vela turning point hi siam ni se tha an ti le ani nala hi tui tu na nia tuna kan kom mek hi contractor kong siam na thok mek ani a ani hian mi som pakhat chau mai a lang chhora machine chhor hi atlen mai mai hle mai a tin ani hian kong ani me ma banga siam har sa thu le ro asur chuanin azop le ngal mai thu alo soya kong siam that konga ma alak dan le na athodan kan vice president puaral chhuan ombula soi mek ani
situation. How is your progress? He's also like him. If it rains, it will stuck a bit. So how is your progress?
My progress
This side open.
This is very difficult situation, but I will make proper this way.
This way, no? This one.
And continue this way. Okay,
Here,
my
yes.
all never working.
So at present you are having around about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9?
I have 15.
15.
6 7. Perfect.
Get that 4 or 5 was there.
6 of them.
6. So what I mean is just the boulder.
I have one excavator and 3 dumper this side.
This side.
Working.
Because like if it rains, then the vehicle will get stuck at there. Positive.
But I will get this side.
Yeah. And you are keeping the Hitachi also for pushing.
No.
No, if the vehicle stuck,
No. All vehicles move. No problem.
no problem. Because he is very muddy now. These 12 legs, 14 tires and all there.
Okay, but I will rectify only 2 hours.
So when will you finish this border?
Almost one day complete.
One day complete.
Second day done.
So like for example, this one will be completed by, see what we came here is that we just want to, we came here to see, because you're stopping the vehicle whole day.
No. After rain, many problems, because after rain many problems. Besides fluffy flies, this fly is not good for road.
No, what I mean is that, see there around about 800 vehicles, more than that.
800.
Yeah, I counted them were coming.
But
See, like, see, now also, if there's a tea time for lunch time, 1 hour break, then if they release at least 50 vehicles, your works will not be disturbed. Like, now what I mean is that, they are just stopping there, they are staying there 4 days, some are 3 days, some are 2 days, so like that.
after rain many problems this side, because after rain this side is file is not good, because many times fluffy file.
Yeah, the soil is not good. What I mean is that that's why we have to put boulder and roll it nicely. Now you rolled it now with your this what they call vibrator. You rolled it now. She will be here also. If it's small rain is coming, then it will be slippery. Very difficult. So from here to here, how long will you finish? For example,
I
2 or 3 days.
almost today complete this area. This way today complete, because tomorrow Sunday.
Yeah. But so many, you are having these boulders, no? At least one side, if you finish that, they can go it. Because now the vehicle is, if the
Today
loaded.
Today before evening time, I will come.
Tuna kan hmu lai mek hi Mizoram pantum motor tang mek te an ni a. Hemi ni hianin motor zathum le ti lai mai tan cha lo ni a. Tin hemi ni hianin Mizoram Merchant Association hruai tu te chuan Kawnpui OC Komin truck chhuah dan tura te thu nan pe a ti ho na hun thata kan ne ni. Mizoram Merchant Association hruai tu te chuan Kawnpui OC kom na hun thata kan nei theia. Kawnpui OC ne na hianin motor chhuah dan tur thuron le khothat nia chua nasa taka motor chhuah turin thu an rona. Kawnpui OC po hian thatakin min lo dong songa kan lom hle ani. Tuna hian bualpuya kan om meka teng lori khal tu hianin kan Vice President po arlai chuan humapula a buai na to te an tan rei to zia te alang soya ni.
Ading to atak omin. Ei tur po nei to lo mang an khap he ani.
खाना के भी कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है। सुबह से पानी पी रहा है, उधर में है ना पानी पार से आ रहा है ना वो पी रहा है। और काल में वो जो घास है ना केले का उसका नीचे से आया है।
Om jatu ei tur po nei to lo he lai bala at hi kian an tana atui kha an inan. Bani han kan ho tu te hian hi an siat sak angai khop ning ka ria. Aruang boy tum nili ni nga. Dinga atak po ti khan nia. Chuan tong siam kha kanan ina mihring tlem te nan to ka hei chu kan ho tu ten sarkar lama kan ho tu ten bank si kan ngai to he motor an dang vak hi
अभी मैनेजर फोन कर रहा है खाली करने के लिए, लेकिन कैसे जाएगा? देखो ना रास्ता कितना खराब है.
Cuma tuan pun dia yang hei bank sika kan ngai to ngai kha kan soi ni
Khati zong kha Mizoram Merchant Association 10 National Highway 306/06 anplo na video kan ron ti chwa thei te chu ni a clear tu ten atop thlenga video min lo clear saka wangin long tho kan ron soye.